In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to kickstart a scheduled call on Circle. So, this platform is fantastic for managing your community events and calls, but sometimes getting started can be a bit confusing if you're new to it. So let's walk through the process together and make sure your next call goes off without a hitch. First, you'll want to log into your Circle.so account. If you're not already logged in, head over to the Circle.so website and enter your credentials. This step is crucial because without logging in, you won't be able to access your scheduled events or calls. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard where you can manage all your activities within your Circle community. Next, navigate to the section labeled Events or Spaces. This is where all your scheduled events and calls are organized. Depending on your account settings or the layout preferred by your community, this tab can sometimes be under a different name, so keep an eye out for either term. Go ahead and click on Events or the relevant space where the call has been scheduled. This will display all the upcoming events and scheduled calls you have, allowing you to select the one you're planning to attend or host. Now find the scheduled event you're interested in. It should be listed along with other events in your dashboard. Click on this event to access all the details related to it, such as time, date, and the participant list. This view will give you a clear idea if there's anything specific you need to prepare or any special instructions left by the event organizer. When it's time for the call, you'll see either Join Call or Start Event options appear. Clicking this is how you'll join the call or begin hosting it. If you're hosting, you might see a Start Event button instead. Either way, this is your gateway into the meeting room. Take note to join a few minutes early if you can, just in case there are connectivity issues or last-minute details to discuss. Finally, if prompted, make sure to allow camera and microphone access. This is often a standard browser permission request that ensures your voice and video can be shared with others on the call. Clicking Allow will enable other participants to see and hear you, making for a smooth and interactive experience. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward way to kickstart your scheduled call on Circle. So, remember, being familiar with these steps means you can focus more on the content and interaction during your call, rather than figuring out the technicalities. Thanks for watching and have a great call.